do it. Hi guys and welcome. This is Stuart on the Rapid Renovation site with Naomi Finlay Live. I'm in the dining kitchen area where the floor sander's in today. So if I turn around here behind, you can see he's already into it, having a crack at the floors. That's a machine that he uses. And Derek's got 5 days to do this. He's going to spend about 3 days sanding the entire place, and then there's 3 coats of polyurethane going on. Now, I'm not overly enjoyed right now or excited because there's this is the kitchen, and we took the risk of pulling up the particle board, which you may have remembered from a previous video. And what happened is Derek, the floor sander, there's a whole lot of nails all through these boards. I don't know if you can see them just all the way up. And so Derek can't sand that. So he's been nail punching them all through the floor. But what that's done has now caused all the boards to crack up and break up. So now the solution is on the phone to Naomi. We've got to have someone get under the floor and got to hammer all the nails back up through the floor, and they'll pop up just enough that we can get a hammer and lift all the nails up. So it's good in that we don't have to replace the whole floor now, which would have been a major expense to the budget. But it's not good in that it's someone's time. My builder Simon has just offered to spend all day down there under on his back, but at that hourly rate, again, it's not worth it to the budget. So we're going to have to find some free labour, and it needs to happen pretty quickly, as in today. So you're probably looking at it. Great, I know. So anyway, this is one of the joys of renovation, but when you've got to keep it onto a budget and keep things moving, that's sometimes what needs to be done. So I'm about to get dirty. You guys have a great day.